Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Lekab Engineer and you are watching MANUU Connect YouTube channel, right? So in this video, I'll be going through last 2 years B.Tech question paper, and a lot of the students asked me to to make a separate video to explain the question paper in detail, right? And that's why I'm here. And one more thing is I'll try to make this video on bilingual because a lot of students ask us to like make videos on Hindi as well. So this video को मैं try करूँगा ना कि I'll make this video on Hindi as well, right? Okay. So first thing is there's a three part, right? First is the mathematics for 50 marks. There's a second physics and then chemistry for 25 marks, right? So अगर आप ना you're very good at mathematics, so this is very like big chance to get you in because uh, mathematics has 50 marks, right? So अगर आप mathematics को अच्छे से कर लेते हो ना, then it is very good to get into the getting chance to take admission, right? And अगर आप like as an average student in mathematics, so I think you should focus on the physics and chemistry because of the repetitions of questions. Mostly questions are repeated in physics and chemistry, so don't worry, I'll share the the mostly asked questions topics name in the descriptions as well. जिससे आप क्या कर सकते हो, you can lastly like cover up those topics as well, right? Because mostly questions are repeated, right? So yeah, and इसमें मैं क्या करता हूँ कि let's talk about the mathematics part, right? Mathematics, in the mathematics we have mostly questions as asked from where the calculus, right? The calculus part, right? Integration, differentiation parts, right? And some questions are from the coordinate geometry. So focus on those things as well. And one more thing is whenever you are learning any topic, right? Because these questions are completely based on NCERT. There's nothing out of NCERT books, right? So whenever you are learning anything, let's suppose आप mathematics पढ़ रहे हो ना, just try to make your own notes, right? In a simplest manner for the revision or last time revision, right? क्योंकि आप अगर अपना एक notes बनाते हो ना in a single paper or two paper, so वो आपको easy करता है ना last moment में revise करने के लिए. Just make sure to whatever you are learning, just try to make your own notes, right? This is the first thing you have to keep in mind, right? And this is about mathematics, and let's come to the physics and chemistry. So in the physics and chemistry we have questions like 25 each, right? 25 each means mostly questions are again here repeated here because as I have seen that in the physics and chemistries are based on the formulas, right? For like dimensional formulas, okay, and the SI unit are mostly asked SI unit questions. So you don't need to go deeper. आपको like you don't need to go deeper to learn. So whatever you are learning, right? This is the basic things asked, right? Whatever basic things, as you know that Joule's laws heating, right? Einstein's mass energy is related to what? So as you know, these are the basic questions. Very basic questions are asked, right? So have already analysis. Don't worry, I'll put everything in description, right? You will pick that particular topic and like do your own research, make your own notes, right? This is hope very beneficial for you, right? Yeah, let's come to the chemistry part. Again, for the chemistry, same thing, right? Repeated questions, limited, limited topics, right? So in the chemistry there's things like organic chemistry and the inorganic chemistry as well as physical chemistry, right? Like oxidation numbers are asked mostly, and named reactions, and one more topic is called hybridizations, right? These topics are mostly asked, right? Whatever if you see, these topics are mostly asked, right? So don't worry about that things as well. These are the formulas, the density is what, and mostly formulas are asked in all the subjects, right? So yeah, this is the complete analysis, and don't worry, I'll share the subtopics as well in the description. Okay, now let's talk big bit deeper, right? So last moment strategy, right? Because as we all know that we have around 7 8 days left, right? So for the 7 8 days, how you should prepare, right? Because some students are not even started now, so उसको मैं बताऊंगा कि how you should prepare yourself, right? For the first 1 2 days, right? Focus on mathematics first. Whatever you can learn and cover, just try to cover, make your notes, and then third third and fourth focus on physics, and then move to the chemistry. Once you cover all those things, just before going to the examinations, just try to solve last 2 year question paper completely, right? Completely take your time and manage your time as well, and as we all know that mathematics and the calculations, right? Mathematics में क्या होता है ना, there's a lot of calculation. So and mathematics are very time consuming, right? So if you are a bit better in chemistry or physics, let's try to start from that as well, because आप physics and chemistry में अपना time बचा लेते हो ना, so you will cover that part or that time in the mathematics part, right? So this is very important, strategy is very important, and mindset is very important. तो आप mindset बना लो कि भाई मुझे ना ऐसे start करना है, then I'll focus and move ahead to the next part, right? So this is the strategy. And last thing is there is no negative marketing. Sorry, negative marking. So just let's suppose you have covered 70 questions, right? And you have like 10 minutes or 5 minutes. Just try to eliminate the answer. Let's suppose a question you are not familiar with, but the answers you are familiar. At least you can eliminate the answers. And this is the sometimes these things work, right? Eliminate karo answers go, or you can find the correct answer, right? So just try to eliminate, use your sense, your knowledge, previous knowledge, match that particular answer to a specific topic. Okay, so eliminate yourself, your answers, and then don't, like leave any questions, right? Just try to cover 100 out of 100, because yeah, no negative, there's no negative, right? So you don't need to worry about the final answer correct or not. So just try to attempt maximum as you can see, right? And yeah, if you are consistently prepared, 1 and 2 hours is enough, right? Because you have already 11 to 12 have completed, so you don't need to learn everything from scratch. You have already know a lot of things, right? So make your notes. This is very important. I would say lastly, what I'll say is that make your notes. Right, notes is very important, and cover everything. Okay, and uh, before going to the examination, solve last 2 year question paper. This is very important because this gives you the real reality hit. Because using and solving these papers, you will see how you manage your time. Right, you are you able to do or not? Right, because a lot of students have very good level of understanding, but they don't even know how to manage time. Right, so first time what you'll do, you start with mathematics, then physics and chemistry. You will see your time, and then you will start reverse like mathematics not in the last, and then first physics and chemistry. You will see that time different because time management is very important, right? So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching this video. I think I have covered all the questions, all the things over here. And don't worry guys, if like honestly work hard, you'll definitely get into the university. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about the result, like believe in your hard work. And I'll share all the details whatever I have done research on these 2 year papers. I'll share the descriptions. You will find everything on the description. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. And lastly, we are if you like once come to the university, we run a platform called MANUU Connect, right? You may heard of MANUU Connect. So we are running a student community where we host events. We do alumni mentorship, lot of things, right? Once you come here, you will join our WhatsApp channel, you will join our website, you will register on our website, lot of things, right? And we have lot more planned, lot more things, right? So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video, and bye bye. Take care.